Start. Sorry, my dear students, there was a technical issue. We regret for the inconvenience. Let us continue. Said that in a right angle triangle, there are three sides and three angles, right? This side opposite to the perpendicular angle is called as hypotenuse side, and opposite and adjacent sides depend upon which particular angle you are taking. Suppose that with respect to angle C, opposite becomes what? AB. With respect to angle A, opposite becomes what? BC. This is the first point you have to note. Open your notebook and jot down the important points as and when I explain you. This is the very important thing. With respect to A, this is opposite. With respect to C, angle C, the adjacent side will be BC. With respect to angle, this particular side AB, adjacent side will be AB. Only adjacent and opposite will change, hypotenuse will remain constant. That is the first point you have to note in the study of trigonometry. Let us come to the second point you have to understand. Ratio, that is T ratios, and means trigonometric ratios. What do you mean by ratio? Any ratio is a fraction. Is a fraction. 3 by 4 is a fraction, right? Then 4 by 3 is a fraction. What is the difference between 3 by 4 and 4 by 3? 3 by 4 we call it as proper fraction. What it is called as proper fraction or proper ratio, proper fraction. Second concept you have to understand very clearly is this. And 4 by 3 means what? Improper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper fraction. ಕನ್ನಡದೊಳಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಭಿನ್ನ ರಾಶಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಷಮ ಭಿನ್ನ ರಾಶಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಏನಿರ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ? ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ and denominator will be bigger. A fraction in which a numerator is smaller and denominator is bigger is called as proper fraction. And a fraction in which a numerator is bigger and denominator is smaller is called as improper fraction. There are two types of fractions. And these ratios with respect to trigonometry we are studying. Just now I defined trigonometry as the, how can I define? What is the definition of trigonometry? We define that it is the branch of mathematics, the branch of mathematics which deals with the study of measurement of angles, measurement of angles and relation between sides and angles of a triangle. Relation between sides and angles of a triangle. In the initial stage we will take a right angle triangle. Later the same trigonometry in higher classes can be extended to all triangles. Relation between all sides, all type of acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, you can apply it to any triangle in higher classes. But the basic trigonometric ratios are defined with respect to what? With respect to right angle triangle. And this is the definition. And observe the keywords in it. What are the keywords? Important you have to remember is, in your definition, suppose that you were asked 1 mark question, what is trigonometry? It is the branch of mathematics which deals with the study of measurement of angles, and very important is relation between sides and angles of a triangle. This relation itself is expressed in the form of trigonometric ratios. Observe here. How the trigonometry, how many? See, there are 3 angles here, particularly this is a 90 degree, right? The trigonometric ratios of this particular angle C. right? Totally there are three sides. Taking two sides at a time, how many ratios can be formed by permutation and combination? Given three sides, a ratio of 2 can be done in how many ways? How many ways? 6 ways. How? Observe. I can take AB upon BC or BC upon AB. You can take AB upon AC and AC upon AB. Fourth ratio. Fifth ratio is BC upon AC and AC upon BC. Like this, we can write totally how many ratios? 6 ratios. Simple permutation. I will write the ratios. Now here, if I write this ratio, AB upon AC is one ratio. And let me take AC, it's reciprocal. AC upon AB, second possibility. Right? Let us take the third possibility. What are the other possibilities? Note down the important definitions, terms, and jot down. Don't just watch like movie, right? And whatever I am writing on the board, jot down with pen and paper. Have a separate notebook. I have given all instructions in your WhatsApp group. Follow the instructions. You will definitely improve the branch, because many students say that trigonometry, yes, trigonometry is a very new branch to you. Therefore, I am starting with this branch. Yes, I will take other ratio, that is BC. You take a base BC upon AC, and reciprocal of it will be AC upon BC. Fourth ratio. Two more ratios are AB upon BC, AB upon BC, AB upon BC. Reciprocal of it will be BC upon AB. Totally how many ratios are possible? Totally only 6 ratios are possible. Only 6 ratios are possible, because given 3 sides, taken 2 at a time, how many ratios are possible? Only 6 possible. Why there are only 6? How many trigonometric T ratios? Henceforth, I will call them as T ratios. Instead of writing every time trigonometry bariyu badli T ratio anta bariyona. Trigonometric ratios 6 ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ 7 ಯಾಕಿಲ್ಲ 5 ಯಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, given 3 sides, taken 2 sides at a time, you can do how many? You can do totally 6 ratios. Therefore, trigonometric ratios are 6. And these ratios are named. Suppose that I am measuring trigonometric ratios with respect to C. Right? Then this particular ratio, AB upon AC, is defined as sine, S-I-N-E, sine ratio of angle C. Angle C. This particular sine ratio of angle C, sine ratio of angle C is symbolically represented as, write small letters S-I-N, leave a space, angle C. Observe here. We call it as sine C. Sine C is defined as AB upon AC. Then what AB is? What AB is? AB is, you can observe what AB is. AB is with respect to angle C, just now I told you what it is, opposite side. We'll write it as OPP dot side. You can note down the definitions, basic definitions. And what AC is? AC is hypotenuse side, HYP side, hypotenuse side. And we got the first definition of the trigonometric ratio. What is sine C? That is sine of an angle C is with respect to C is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Okay. Similarly, the reciprocal of it. This reciprocal, generally reciprocal of sine is called as cosecant ratio. What it is called as? Cosecant ratio of angle C. Mathematically, we write it as small c. You write, don't write capital letters. Cosec. Read it and don't read it as sin. Bhala huduguru sin anta odtiri. Sin anta odbaraadu. Actually, is the SINE. You have to pronounce it as sine C. Sine C is opposite upon hypotenuse side. With respect to C, this is hypotenuse. And cosec C. What is the definition of cosec C? AC means hypotenuse upon hypotenuse. That is hypotenuse upon opposite. We'll take the reciprocal of it. Second ratio you got hypotenuse side upon opposite side. Opposite side. Third trigonometric ratio, these two, you can remember sin C as S short form OH. You remember the keyword to remember the definition of sine. SOH. What is SOH? Sine ratio is opposite upon hypotenuse. You remember SOH, shortcut of it. Right? And you need not remember or by heart cosec, because cosec is reciprocal of sine. You keep it in your mind. Cosec and sine are reciprocals. And if this particular sine C. Next come to the second ratio. With respect to C, what this BC is? Just now I told that with respect to this angle C, and this is called as adjacent side. See the color, adjacent side. Clear? This is adjacent side. Next we will see the angle A also. And BC upon AC, observe carefully. What is BC? BC upon AC means adjacent upon opposite, adjacent upon hypotenuse is called as, this ratio is called as cosine, C-O-S-I-N-E, cosine ratio of angle C. Cosine ratio. And this can be written as, cosine ratio can be written as, simply written as, then what BC is? It can be written as cos C, that is BC. What is BC is? BC is adjacent side. Let me write here. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse side. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse side. Then its reciprocal is AC upon BC. You can easily remember. And this is called as second ratio. What it is called as? Second ratio of angle C. Carefully note down. And therefore finally you can decide that this one is, what is AC is? AC is a reciprocal, that is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse side divided by what? Adjacent side. Adjacent side. To remember it, you can use the shortcut that C cos ratio is defined as, yes, what is the cos ratio? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. Remember it as CAH. SOH means sine is opposite upon hypotenuse, cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Its reciprocal you need not remember, just make the reciprocal of the number, you will get what? Second ratio. We symbolize them as cos, we can write it as cos ratio. In short, COS, cos C is equal to adjacent side divided by what? Hypotenuse side. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse side. You got the third definition of the trigonometric ratio. The fourth one is reciprocal of it, that is sec C. Sec C is equal to hypotenuse side divided by adjacent side. This is the basic thing, my dear students. And sine was the first one. This is the first ratio. This is first ratio. And cosec is a second ratio. This is first ratio. Cosec is a second ratio. First, remember second ratio. And this one is the third. This one is fourth. And we'll similarly we'll define these two. What is AB upon AC? You can observe in the figure and tell me. What is AB upon AC? I will go left side. AB upon AC is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Adjacent side. We call this ratio as a tangent ratio. What it is called as? Tangent ratio. Tangent ratio of angle C. We simply write it as tan C, small t an tan space kodbeku, capital C baribeku, tan C. Tan C is defined as opposite divided by adjacent side. And last ratio will be reciprocal of it. You can observe BC upon AB, that is adjacent side upon opposite side, is called as cotangent ratio. It is called as cotangent ratio of angle C. Cotangent ratio. And in short, we write it as cot C, that is equal to adjacent divided by opposite side. Adjacent divided by opposite side. Thus, we defined all the 6 trigonometric ratios, my dear students. This is the basic thing in the trigonometry. Let me give the number 5 to this, 6 to this. Your first step is you have to remember these definitions of the ratios. Clear it to you. What is the first ratio? Sin C is opposite upon hypotenuse. You can observe SOH. Cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse. What is the tan is? Tan is opposite upon adjacent. Remember them easily. Sin is opposite upon adjacent. Cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse. And tan is opposite upon adjacent. If you remember these three, remaining three are reciprocals. What is the reciprocal of sin? Is cosec. What is the reciprocal of cos? Is sec. What is the reciprocal of tan? Is cot. Right? Just you can take the reciprocal of it. Is the point clear to you, my dear students? Today, you by heart all these 6, right? And due to some technical problems, some 5-10 minutes there was a problem. Now it is rectified, my dear students. Tomorrow, we will continue with chemistry. By the time you study some your textbook or notes, right? And I will put some important assignments in the WhatsApp group. Therefore, I request all newcomers just go into the Logji channel, open the description box. There, WhatsApp link is put. Just click on it. That will you will get the joining symbol. You join the WhatsApp group so that I can send assignments. I can give you instructions, right? And I can send you practice questions, summary, notes, PDF files. So all these things in the WhatsApp I will be sending, and so that will be useful to you. Thanks for newcomers. And tomorrow is a Friday. Tomorrow I will start chemistry. What is chemistry and the basic chemistry? How the chemistry is classified? One of the problems of many students, school students are weak in it. That is, what is chemical formula? What is symbol? What are the basic concepts in the chemistry? How to improve the chemistry, right? About that I will talk. And by the time I come back on Saturday, you just pre-read and attend the classes, right? Many of you might have gone to the summer camp also, but it will be a smooth revision. My focus is on weak students, average students, above average students. If you feel fast, slow, any doubts are there, you can put in the WhatsApp group. You can chat. Don't chat in your personal number. Chat in the group only. You join the group and you can put your comment, your doubts. Are you feeling slow, fast? Any problems are there? Chat there in the group only. Don't do any message because I can't see all the messages. Okay, only in the group I can see. Therefore I am making the WhatsApp group. Therefore, whatever questions are there, doubts are there, whatever problems are there, you just put in the chat in the group only, WhatsApp group only. I will look at them, and if you have got any doubts, problems, I will slowly go on improving the speed. As some of you are newcomers, for few classes I will be very slow This is one of the most important topic. If your trigonometry problem is solved, then surface areas and volumes, another second problem, and then triangles. Like this, I will start teaching you tough to easy, not easy to tough. Okay, let us focus on tough chapters first, and if the tough chapters are learned quickly, we can quickly learn the easy chapters. Is that clear? Some of you told probability. Yes, probability, surface areas and volumes, and this trigonometry, application of trigonometry, and triangles. These are the main tough chapters in it. Other chapters are comfortable easy. Then quadratic equations, statement problems, pair of linear equations, statement problems, algebra. Algebra will come after covering the trigonometry. Okay. Good night, my dear students. And tomorrow at 8:30 again we meet. Tomorrow, alternative day. It is mentioned in the this thing. You whatever you know about chemistry, what is chemistry, what is formula, how to write formula, what are radicals, how to balance a chemical equation, how to write formula, about that step by step, slowly I will go on teaching you and improve your basic chemistry, basic maths, basic science, basic maths, and I will talk about the Vedim's trick also. Today there is a technical problem, some 2-3 days are required to adjust the technical things. Then after 1 week, it will take its speed or momentum. Okay. Thank you. Good night, my dear students.